How to set a background image in HTML and CSS in your Visual Studio Code project. So the first thing you'll need to have is your project folder here where you have your CSS file and your HTML or main web page, and as well the images folder with the image that you want to display. In this case, I have an example of an HTML index file which contains a reference to this style sheet file. And to set the background image, which is inside this images folder, I use the style sheet background image with the path to the image and the background size, the background repeat, the position, the height, the margin, and the color. And in the index file, I implement the style sheet file here and a simple welcome to my website header, as well as meta configuration for the viewport and the title. And to test and run this, I'm gonna just click on the go live here to run the server. And this should open up a new page which contains the index file. And here's the welcome to my website, and the image as the background, as well as the title here. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.